page 17, my lord. May I read, my lord? With due respect, I would like to inform you that I am the absolute owner of plot of land bearing dark number 642 old 1677 new KP Patta dark number so and so, situated at revenue village Japorigo, Beltola Moza. Sir, suddenly on 27/10/22 at around 7 p.m. evening, a group of unknown persons led by one Mujamil Haq and Debasis Banerjee entered my plot and forcefully drove away my watchman, locked the gates from inside, and totally forged and fake land documents were produced in PS by this group of people who have grabbed my land. Subsequently, the then OC of Gitanagar PS sought a verification of the land schedule, and as a result, Lord Mandal of the area, Anwar Hussain under official under came and physical verification of the land was done, which ultimately proved that I am the bona fide owner. Sir, even going through all the process, possession of land has not been restored to me for reasons unknown to me. So I have strong reasons to believe that opposite party totally forged using fake signatures. So this case was registered as Itanagar PS case number 29 of 24. But this FIR was lodged on 6/12/23, registered on 3/2/24. But prior to that, Your Honor, my lord, the petitioner's owner, petitioner is a caretaker, my lord. At page 19, my lord, the owner, that is Gayatri Banerjee Kohli, she had lodged an FIR, my lord, at page 19. That is dated 28th of October 2022. And this dark is shown as 1188. If my lord may kindly peruse the chitta, my lord, at page 24, he is showing dark number 642. This is the vernacular one. 642 number dark at page 24. 642 dark number in SMS visited, and corresponding is 1188. So it is the same dark, my lord. And I have also annexed the Jamabandi, which shows the name of Gayatri Banerjee Kohli, the owner of the land. I am just a caretaker, my lord. And this FIR has been filed just to harass the petitioner, my lord. As a
Why?
counterblast, my lord.
Why?
My lord, because of the fact that earlier the FIR was lodged by the owner, my lord, at page 19, 19, my lord. Same dark patta, my lord. Same land, my lord. Because it says, with due respect, I beg to inform at page 19, my lord, that I am the absolute owner of plot of land measuring 2 kathas, 3 lechas covered by dark number 1188 of KP Patta number 1309, measuring 2 kathas, 10.5 lechas under dark number 1189 under Beltola Moda, Japorigo village, my lord. For the last few days, some miscreants are trying to trespass into my aforesaid plot of land with the intention to grab my land, my lord. This was filed on 28 October 2022. This area is near the Zoo Narangi area, my lord. And they have originally they are the owners of the land. Kunjo Bihari Banerjee, my lord. Bireshwar Bandyopadhyay, they are the original owners of the land. And Geeta Kohli is the legal heir of Bireshwar Bandyopadhyay, my lord. So at this stage, my lord, I pray for an interim order, my lord, interim protection to the petitioner, my lord, because at any moment he may be arrested, my lord.
Yes, madam. No, whether the number is same, this
Same, my
page
lord.
number 23.
No, because my lord, page 17, dark number they are showing 642. At page 17, my lord.
Yes.
Old dark number 642.
Old is
1677.
1677.
642. And if my dark number which I have shown is 1188 at page 19.
Page 19. 1189 that number.
And if my lord may
These are appears to be different numbers.
Different number.
no, my lord. But if my lord may kindly page 24. This is a draft chitta. It's 642. Then right next to it is 1188.
Yes, madam.
Yes. Roshi, the case of the land grabbing, my lord. Multiple seller, multiple buyer, my lord. And documents are fake.
This is not a land grabbing case, my lord, because my original owner is Geeta Kohli, my lord. I am just a caretaker. This is not a
Roshi
case of
said you will reveal, but
At this
cases
stage,
are
I
going
will
on, the
interim
lordship is
maybe
aware
confirm,
of,
my
so
lord.
many cases are coming up before the zonal court.
Oh, we will fix it sorted. Let us peruse the
I pay
case
for
then.
interim request at,
No,
because it's, I'm just a caretaker, my lord.
no,
I'm
that's
because
all
the
right. We'll see.
original owner is Gita Kohli, my lord.
We'll see.
Because
We'll
it
put-
is apparent from page 24, my lord.
We'll fix it sorted very on next Monday. This is from
Kamrup Metro.
Gita Nagar.
Gita Nagar PS, Monday.
Kuntarai?
Monday is fourth one.
City on Fort.
Item 7,
Yeah, please, Your Honor. Lordship, 438 application, Lordship. Lordship, the offender rated 365, Your Lordship. But subsequently, section 4 of the POXO Act has been added, Lordship.
Notice will go.
Lordship.
Same order. It's the bit taken by registered post and also the result process and also through the officer inserts jurisdictional PS returnable on
15th March.
15 March. 15 March. On that day, learned additional PPCL published the case diary along with the statement of the victim guard recorded under section 164 CRPC.
Item 8,
An application under section 438 CH6 training for granting anticipatory bail, Lordship. FIR in a page number 10, Lordship. May I read, Lordship? With a reference to subject above, I have the honor to report that today on 14/1/24 at 6:30 AM, I have been detailed for Naka checking in front of Monachera, Gudamga, Timukha. During Naka checking, one vehicle wearing registered number so and so was intercepted near Monachera so and so Naka checking point, and on checking the vehicle was found loaded with 9 numbers of balloons suspected to be of foreign origin with their nose, ears, and legs tied with rope without water and foot prints, thereby violating the norms of cattle transfer. Further, when asked to produce documents, the occupant of vehicle could not produce any document, and hence it is strongly suspected to be stolen ones. Accordingly, I inform the matter to IC Lakshinagar OP, who after seized the vehicle loaded with mentioned balloon was apprehended the below mentioned accused person. Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, kindly have a look at page number 4, para number 3. The informant lodged an FIR in 14/1/24. After 13 days, the investigating officer without any basis seized the vehicle, another vehicle, Lordship, AS 11 EC 5217 from the roadside at Nichintapur, which was actually loaded with three numbers of local cattle, Lordship. And in this regarding this matter, one Makbul Alam.
No, madam, the case has been registered on the basis of the FIR dated 14/1/2024,
Lordship.
right?
Lordship.
Here the name accused is Akramul Haq Majumdar.
Is another person, another vehicle. My vehicle and number is not there in a FIR, Lordship.
So then why you are apprehending arrest?
Lordship, I am the caretaker of registration number AS 011 EC. After 13 days, the vehicle was is that I am the caretaker of that vehicle, Lordship, and one the
No, which vehicle?
Lordship.
You are the caretaker of which vehicle?
Uh,
This NL01 AD.
AS 11 EC 5217, Lordship.
So how that vehicle is connected with this case?
No one connected, but
Then
the investigation of officer searching me for interrogated, Lordship are already the Jimma already allowed that vehicle, Lordship. But till now, investigating
no, whether
officer,
that vehicle was seized in connection with this case.
without any reason.
There's AS11 EC 5217. Whether this vehicle has been seized in connection with this case.
Lordship, I'm annexing Jimma order, Lordship, page number 16, Lordship.
Page number
16.
Registration number of vehicle is different, Your Lordship. And LS vehicle is NL 0183-216.
yes.
Yes, Lordship, but have
Oh.
they are dragged my name, lordship, and they are after 13 days they chased my owner
No,
vehicle
where is the Caesar list?
seater lips and not annex, lordship.
CD may come, my lord.
But madam, it appears that the vehicle was seized. Therefore, this order, page number 16.
No, the number of the vehicle is different. Your lordship kindly note.
No, you see, this vehicle was released by this order dated 29/1/2024 in connection with Lala PS case number 16 of 24. It means that the
16.
vehicle was seized in connection with this case.
Lordship, but the LA's vehicle, the number of the vehicle and as
Different,
mentioned in
yes.
the FIR is different.
Yes.
And this one is different, my lord. So lordship case diary will reveal how she is agreed and why she is appearing
Lordship,
arrest.
some interim protection may be granted, and I will be appear before I1. I will cooperate with IO, lordship, because they are
Because vehicle numbers are different.
that's
Maybe
reason, lordship. After
the
13 days they are
Chimma is given to that vehicle, then how she is connected?
I am the maid caretaker, and petition number 2 is the same vehicle with the ex-helper, lordship. That's the reason they are searching me, lordship.
No, but the Caesar list you have not produced before this court.
Lordship, if this honorable court granted me a protection, then I will cooperate with you. I will
No, that's all right. But first you have to show that you are wanted in this case.
Lordship, already 3 kettles, Jimma, maybe 3 kettle Jimma already granted.
That's all
another.
right. But you show the document that the vehicle and the cattle were seized in connection with this case. Except mentioning the case number, there is no other reference.
Lordship,
Hmm.
page number 18. The kettle, page number 18, the kettle is mentioned, lordship.
But in connection with this FIR, 9 numbers of cattle were seized.
But on 29/1/24, another 3 kettles were was seized, lordship.
In connection with same FIR.
Same FIR, lordship, and that the 3 numbers of kettles.
So that may be a different offense. How it can be same offense?
CD will reveal, my lord. CD may come,
Okay, but we'll fix a short date.
my lord.
Let the city come.
My lord.
Lordship, in the interim may be granted, lordship, because it's a very I am the 4 men, lordship, and I'm only the sole earner of that family, lordship. If I am maybe arrested,
Apprehending arrest in connection with Lala PS case number 16 of 2024 under section 379 411 IPC, dated section 11(1)(d) of Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Life, and section 13(1) of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act. This application under section 438 services preferred by 2 applicants, namely Jaspir Hussain and Mohammad Azharuddin, for grant of period space. This to be noted here that a noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR lost by 1. Manik Sundar Sinha of Katlisera PS. The sense of allegation made in the affair dated so and so is that during Nakaseking on 14/1/2024 at about 6 AM, he has informed.
I am sorry to intervene, my lord.
Mm,
Para 3 of the petition, she has mentioned, they have mentioned.
mm,
Bexu stated in 14(1), the informant seized the vehicle bearing number. This is the number which has been mentioned in FIR.
mm.
And 9 numbers of bullocks suspected to be from foreign origin accordingly arrested the occupant of the vehicle, namely Akramul Haq Mozumdar. Thereafter, on 29/1/24, investigating officer without any basis seized another vehicle from the roadside at Nishintapur, which was actually loaded with 3 numbers of local cattle. So far, petitioners know about the matter. Therefore, thereafter, the investigating officer forwarded those local cattle to learned CGM Hailakandi, suspecting those cattle were of foreign origin.
Okay. Okay. কি বলো? Intercepted one vehicle bearing registration number NL01 AD 3216 near Monasera, Gudamghat, Timukha, and found 9 numbers of cattle being carried in the same nine numbers of cattle of foreign origin, of suspected to be foreign origin, being carried in the same without any document. Next, what is your name?
A Begum.
Ms. A. Begum, learned counsel for the applicant submits that the applicants are nowhere involved with the offense that has been committed on 14/1/2024. But the applicants are the caretaker and helper of a vehicle bearing registration number AS11 EC 5217, which was seized by police after a few days of the aforesaid occurrence, and also seized 3 numbers of local cattle from the same. Ms. Begum further submits that thereafter an application was filed before the Court of Learned Judicial Magistrate First Class Hailakandi seeking custody of the vehicle bearing registration number AS11 EC 5217 and the 3 kettles, and the same were given in custody. And the vehicle was given in the custody of the applicant. And since 3 numbers of cattle were given in the custody of Dhyan Foundation, Gusala at Udarband. Ms. Begum further submits that the applicants are innocent and no way involved with the offense alleged in the FIR, and they are ready to cooperate with the investigating agency, and therefore it is contented to allow the petition. On the other hand, Ms. B. Goya, learned additional PP submits that this is only the case that it may be called for. Where having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, a perusal of the case area is found to be necessary, and accordingly it is provided that the learned additional PP shall produce the case area before this court on
22nd March.
22nd March. But in the interim, considering the submission of learned advocates of both the parties, and also considering the facts and circumstances on the record, it is this court is inclined to allow the inclined to grant interim protection to the applicant till receipt of the case area. And accordingly, it is provided that in the event of arrest of the applicants in connection with Lala PS case number 16 of 2024 under section so and so, they shall be released on interim period as bail. On their executing a bond of rupees 50,000 with 1 share job like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. The above privilege is however subject to the following 3 conditions. Last condition, they shall not leave the jurisdiction of CJM Hailakandi without prior permission.
Item 9.
Quoted application, Lordship, FIR is on page 11, Lordship. Lordship, the petitioner is the owner of the vehicle, Lordship. Already, Lordship, the driver has been arrested, Lordship. Regarding.
Where is the forwarding report?
Lordship, is it AB, Lordship?
AB.
AB, Lordship.
No, the person who was arrested, whether you have enclosed that forwarding report?
That I'm not able, it is in the FIR, Lordship, already. Name of the accused person is very there. The owner of the vehicle, Lord.
Pardon?
I am the owner of the vehicle, Lord.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, stealing of this cattle, my lord. They were transferring it and they could not produce any valid document. The driver could not produce a valid document, my lord. No veterinary certificate was produced as per the allegation, my lord.
No, that's all right, but what is the role of the present applicant?
Present
He's the
applicant
owner of the
told,
vehicle.
my lord, yes, CD will reveal that. Regarding granting interim, I leave it to your lordship, my lord.
Check, let me appear before I'll submit all my documents.
Okay, heard Mr. Edeka, learned counsel for the applicant, and also heard Ms. B. Moya, learned additional PP for the state respondent. Pending arrest in connection with Bosisto PS case number 98 of 2024 under section 379 IPC, read with section 11(1)D of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act, read with section 13(1)(16) of Assam Cattle Preservation Act. This application under section 438 services prepared by applicant Anarul Hussain for grant of PRSP. Type of noted cases been registered on the basis of an FIR lodged by SI Chinmay Barua of Jorabata Outpost on 16/2/2024. The essence of allegation made in the FIR dated so and so is that on 16/2/2024 at about 8:30 AM while he was attending Naka checking duty, he has intercepted one vehicle bearing registration number AS01QC 7955 with 11 numbers of live cattle being carried in the same without any document. The learned counsel for the applicant submits that the applicant is the registered owner of the vehicle bearing registration number AS01QC 7955 and that he is nowhere involved with the offense alleged in the FIR and he is ready to cooperate with the investigating agency and therefore it is contented to allow the petition. In support of his submission, Mr. Deka has referred to the Annexure 2, which is the registration certificate of the vehicle, his vehicle. On the other hand, Ms. Begum, Ms. Bhuya learned additional PP submits that at this instance, the CD may be called for. Having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, perusal of the case area is found to be necessary and accordingly it is provided that case area be called for, fixing the matter
On 28 March.
28 March. Whereas, considering the submission of learned advocates of both sides and also having regards to the nature and gravity of the offense and the role of the applicant, this court is rule being played by the applicant. This court is inclined to extend interim protection to him. Accordingly, it is provided that same 50,000 and CSM Kamrup.
Very obliged.
Madam Chair,
May I please your lordship? 438 application lordship. The petitioner before your lordship is the registered owner of this vehicle lordship, which was seized in connection with Bosisto Police Station case number 52 of 2024. Lordship may kindly come to the FIR page number 21. Here lordship, two vehicles were seized lordship. The petitioner is the owner of the small vehicle lordships. Page number 21 is the FIR.
So perhaps in this connection, we have called for the case diary.
Yes, interim, I leave it to your
In
lordship.
some, in some
Lordship, may I place the
other matters.
no lord, that was disposed of lordship, the owner of the cows lordship.
Well,
on lordship 23 to 2020. May I place the order?
জিম্মা দিছে রহমত আলী বেলে
Honor of the House.
So the present applicant is the owner of the small car, small vehicle.
Yes, lordship. Small vehicle. And she is a female lordship. She was nowhere present at the place of occurrence, lordship.
Lordship, I pray for calling for the CD regarding granting interim relief. I leave it to your lordship. Because her involvement will, CD will reveal regarding her involvement.
So this order dated 23rd to 2024. You take down pair number 4. Mr. Ahmed, learned counsel for the applicant, submit that. The applicant is a lady and she is the owner of the vehicle bearing registration number AS01 FT 6306. Where is the registration certificate?
I have annexed it, lordship.
31 to 33. No, anyway.
Page number 67, annexer 7, lordship. May I place the Zimma order also, lordship? Zimma has already been given to the petitioner by the landlord.
AS01 FT
6206.
6306. And that she is now involved with the offense alleged in the affair and she is ready to cooperate with the investigating agency and therefore it is contented to allow the petition. The other end is Punya learning LPP submits that at this stage only the case may be called. Having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, perusal of the case area is found to be necessary and accordingly it is provided that case area be called for fixing the matter on COVID.
On 1st April,
1st of April. Third, and in the interim, considering the submission of learned advocates of both sides and also considering the nature of allegation and the punishment prescribed for the same, this court is inclined to extend interim protection to the applicant. Accordingly, it is provided that in the event of arrest of the applicant in connection with Bosista PS case number so and so, she shall be released on interim period pay on her executing a bond of rupees 50,000 with 1 zero like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting of purpose. Then the citizen come up.
item 11.
Highly obliged. Lordship, item 11 is, lordship, it is Sonapur police station, lordship. May I pray for a short date, lordship? Your lordship, the petitioner before your lordship are the owner of the cows, lordship.
Well, let the city come then.
Yes, lordship. May I pray for a short date, lordship? It's from Sonapur.
When?
On 11th. 11 March.
On 7th of March, lordship.
11, so many people.
When?
On 11th March.
7th.
7th.
7th of March, we have a lot of cases.
Item 12.
FIR and page number, this is for same case, lordship.
Same
This is
here.
same case, lordship. Here, lordship, the petitioner is the owner of the vehicle, lordship. Registered owner of the vehicle, and lordship, he has, lordship may kindly come to page number 21, lordship. I'm praying for here. 21, lordship. Owner of the vehicle is Sofikul Alam Chaudhary, lordship. He has, there is an agreement, lordship. Rent agreement between Sofikul Alam Chaudhary and Asghar Ali, lordship.
Whether that agreement was a registered agreement?
No, Lordship.
No. Let us see the
CD
CD on.
same 11 tree. No, no, same
Same
place,
case,
11.
along with item number 11,
Okay,
Lordship.
okay.
Highly appraised.
Item 13.
Directly, your lordship. Highlight in this case, lordship, I pray for lordship striking the name of the petitioner number 1 because he was arrested on 27/2, lordship. And I am praying for withdrawal of his name, lordship, to go for appropriate bail application under section 430.
Application দিব লাগিব দাদা। Application দিব লাগিব।
Let me submit. And for petitioner number 2, lordship, I pray for case day, call for the case day, lordship.
Okay, heard Mr. K. Mazumdar, learned counsel for the applicant, and also heard Ms. B. Goya, learned additional PC for the status contact.
I have arrested,
Apprehending arrest in connection with
highlight,
Hailakandi PS case number 23 of 2024 under section
this spoke about
360.
Says since about 11 months ago, one from today, that means April 22. And he said the April 20, December 22. And another said only telephonically he informed me that the friends of person has come, visited his shop and they responded. My lord, I have already submitted one decision from the Supreme Court. It says that at best it can be the breach of contract. Although I am denying that I have received any amount from him, but it is a civil liability. At best it can be said. It cannot be that the complaint has been filed and yes, I have filed the NI Act, a petition against NI Act, under NI Act 138, and the said petition was challenged in the High Court, and the High Court is set aside that petition. And as a counterblast, he has filed this petition, complaint case. In the earlier case in the High Court, he did not make any whisper that he has paid me rupees 1 lakh. There is nothing in the initial deposition, my lord, to attract the provisions of the section 420 and others. It is unnecessary. I will be dragged in the litigation, and it will be waste of the valuable time of the court. As a counterblast, he has filed this complaint petition.
Yes.
I love to involve the 420. The ill intention must be from
So
the
where is the order? Impugned order?
impugned order.
Page number
15, 1 5,
15.
1 5.
15.
Where the statements of the complainant is witnesses and the materials on record is required the prima facie case under section so and so against the accused person, namely C. Kumar Agarwal. There is no specific order. Yeah, how the learned trial court come to this point? And in this case, Your Honor, reported in 2023 6 SCC 109. Kindly, my lord, there are 9. However, we do not find the need to engage with the grounds adjudged because the perusal of the record in no uncertain terms reflects the dispute as being of a civil nature. This court recently in Sarvajit Kumar Court versus State of Punjab 2023 SCC Online 2010 observed that a breach of contract does not give rise to criminal prosecution for cheating unless fraudulent or dishonest intention is shown right at the beginning of the transaction. Merely on the allegation of failure to keep promise will not be enough to initiate criminal proceedings. A two-judge bench of this court in ARCI Nimra Shear Glass Techniques 2016 1 SCC 348 while deliberating upon the difference between the mere breach of contract and the offense of cheating, observed that the distinction between depends upon the intention of the accused at the time of the alleged intention. If dishonest intention on the part of the accused can be established at the time of beginning of entering into the transaction with the complainant, then the criminal liability would be attached. In Vijay Kumar Ghai versus State of West Bengal, 2022 7 SCC 124, the observed in reference to earlier decision is under. This court in G. Sagar Suri versus State of UP, 2002 SCC 636 observed that it is the duty and obligation of the criminal court to exercise a great deal of caution in issuing the process, particularly when the matters are essentially of civil nature. This court had time and again cautioned about the converting purely civil disputes into criminal cases. This court in Indian Oil Corporation versus NETC India Limited 2006 6 SCC 736 noticed the prevalent impression that civil law remedies are time consuming and do not adequately protect the interest of the lender's creditor.
Okay,
The-
okay, Mr. Singh. This petitioner is from Dhuri and the respondent number 2 is from Mankasar.
Manka Chairman.
So you have filed one case against him under section 138 NI.
And that he issued me check and the check was dishonored.
What is the outcome of that proceeding?
I guess that proceeding is going on because against that order he has filed petition under section 482
Before this court, and that was
And this-
dismissed by
that
this
was
court.
And that proceeding is going on.
Have you enclosed that order here?
Yes, please.
Page number?
Page number 26, my lord.
27 is the operating part.
Yes. Under the aforesaid circumstances, this court is of the opinion that the present petition under section 482 CRPC is without any merit, therefore the same is dismissed and disposed. And this order was passed on 20/10/22,
Okay.
and he alleged that on December 22, I visited his shop and
Yes, Mr. Sarkar.
From the initial depositions of
Hmm.
Tahir Rahman and Abdul Rahim, the primary case is made out for issuing notice laws.
Hmm.
And so far my learned senior court said in respect of the High Court's order,
Hmm.
that is rejected under section 482 since case was not filed on the basis of evidence. It was filed on the basis of facts. That's why that was rejected by the honorable. And since case is also pending before the learned court below under section 138. In court order, lordship, at this stage, lordship may not be interfered, lordship. This is my submission. Considering the evidence of.
No, but the problem is that having gone through the deposition of the witnesses,
Yes, sir.
can it be said that the offense under section 420 IPC is made out?
Still, lordship, in
Hmm?
CR petition, lordship, may be seen, lordship. Case 14. Case 14 may be seen.
Hmm. Para number?
Para number 3.
Yes.
That is also with para number 3, accused person in the month of March 2022 can amount of rupees as an advance money from the fund for supply of goods. So, lordship, occurrence shown to have occurred on March 2021.
But this dishonest intention has to be shown from the very beginning. Can it be said that there is any dishonest intention on the part of the petitioner after going through this complaint?
That is the lordship, I have on the basis of statement, lordship, of the witnesses, lordship, and
No,
so
that's
for
why.
the power of magistrate 204, lordship, process of compel appearance, lordship. So far, I have gone through. If in the opinion of a magistrate, taking cognizance of an offence, there is sufficient ground for proceeding and the case appears to
No, that's
of
right.
both
But
magistrate in his.
ingredients from the complaint petition and from the statement of the witnesses, the ingredients of the offense has to be made out.
It is a matter of now. It is a matter of presumption, lordship. On the
For
basis,
presumption.
we can presume that, lordship, that
So issuance of process to the accused is a serious matter in criminal cases. Anyway. Heard Mr. Jain, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. A.T. Sarkar, learned counsel for the respondent.
government has got here.
Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional
My
people
lord.
for the status. Yes, Mr. Sharma,
My lord, I have gone through the, my lord,
complaint.
initial deposition, my lord. My lord. There prima facie material against the petitioner, my lord. I stated that may be continued, my lord.
Prima facie material.
Material, my lord.
Material of which offense?
Offense under section. My lord, here,
Hmm,
my initial Rafiqul Iqbal, my lord.
hmm,
মই তেখেতক টকা নিদিয়াত আৰু আগে দিয়া টকা ঘূৰাই বিচৰাত তেখেতে গুণ্ডা বাহিনী লৈ আহে আৰু মোক গালি গালাজ কৰে, দাবী ধমকি দি কয় যে মই ধুবুৰীত যাওঁ, মোক তেখেতে মাৰপিট কৰি তাত ব্যৱসায় কৰিব নিদিব। Threatening party is also there, my lord.
But that is not in the complaint
448
petition.
also there. 448. 448 also.
But that is not in the complaint petition. It is at best be civil liability, although I am denying that I received any amount from. And it is
448 also
totally,
attached.
absolutely a counterblast, my lord.
It's not really-
No, that's all right. Yes, very, Mr. Sharma, is there any reference to that effect in the complaint petition?
My lord.
448 also there.
Hmm?
And from the evidence as well as the petition, it is reflected. 448 at least made out. So far I have gone through those. 448 may be taken into consideration.
448 is the with arms and ammunition.
No, no, house testing.
In this,
three evidence as well as petition it is reflected.
Okay, argument concluded, order reserved. We reserved our.
Lordship, offline.
Sorry,
Item 17. Item 17.
My lord, your lordship will see the last order passed by this honorable court, whereby the advocate for the respondents wanted to withdraw the Magata. And today the date is for filing the affidavit.